Nature struck with deadly and violent force this weekend as dozens of tornadoes ripped through the plains. Hardest hit state, Oklahoma.
Man, take your insulin. Take care of yourself. Pride is a lie. Forget your homeboys. Take care.
Shout out to Hood Diabetics.
I love you, my
Hood
nigga.
Diabetic on YouTube.
My Hood Diabetic.
Hood Diabetic in the building.
What's up, man? I said I'm with my nigga Hood Diabetic in the building, motherfucker.
Yeah, you buzz. What's happening? Welcome to my channel,
I ran out
man.
of insulin yesterday, and this lady drove 3 hours to bring me insulin.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. First off, gotta check that blood sugar. But I gotta do my daily shit first. And all that. Hopefully everybody have a great day. There you go. Anyways, good morning, man. Good morning and all that. House is definitely a mess. But the first thing I do, of course, normally I take my shit. Nothing like a good shit in a Newport. Oh. Give my brother some love, you know, keep my day going. Take the rock out. This nigga's a beast. And all that. You know, kinda just get my day started.
The highest level watches that can basically be issued when it comes to tornadoes. You have a tornado watch and they have a PDS watch. This is a PDS tornado watch. This is gonna be a bad day. I hope it's not. I would love it if it's not. Absolutely. But right now, this is a serious day.
I'm in my backyard right now, and the sky's very, very low. And it's a little creepy. For certain situations, I got a tornado shelter just to try to stay safe. But this is it. It's not much down there. 2 benches. I do have to get some lights and stuff like that. I had it hooked up, but unfortunately, the extra stuff that I had, I put on my RV. That was definitely dumb. Let's go down. So it's really like the size of a prison. It's pretty small, but you know, at least 6 people can fit in here. 6 or 7, 3 on each bench. But yeah, it's a little creepy, y'all. But if it saves lives, it saves lives. And it's crazy because normally the birds kind of let us know. Like you can hear the birds right now singing, but once everything stops, that means it's time to run. But it's very important to all my diet buds. Very, very, very important. You got your lanterns, which is time release. If you hear that it's going to be a tornado later on tonight, you should take it now, so you really don't have to worry about your blood sugar going high. Of course, you got your Humalog, that's for emergencies. But for a tornado, you definitely need to take your lanterns. And of course, it's the Humalog. Humalog is really for fast acting. So I have bought this Just kind of want to be on the safe side. And it's a generator. I suggest any and everybody to get one. Tornado warnings and all that. Again, the sky's never been that low. Yo, I'm just getting home. It's a fucking tornado. That's how fucked up Oklahoma weather is, though. Cause it was just sunny. Check out the new merch. Diabetic and all that. But I think I might just take a little nap and just relax, man. You know, because if you sit up and just worry about a tornado all day, it'll never bring peace to your life. Don't stress. Just relax. You only can hope for the best and all that. I'll talk to y'all later, though. You know what's going on and all that. The weather calmed down a lot. It stopped raining. I'm a little hungry. I think my blood sugar low. I'm about to get my ass up. Probably grab something to eat. Then go to the movies. Gotta go grab something to eat. So, yes, I'm out here driving. I see the thunder. But, shit, I live by myself. So, just in case if my diabetes drop, I just gotta grab something to eat. So I just drove 10 miles to go get some grub. It's windy as hell. I don't know if y'all can see the sky. The sky's scary. Look at these skies, man. These skies look crazy. It's definitely gonna be bad on road tonight. The line in the Wendy's is just crazy. Be here all night. This shit is crazy. 10 minutes later. It's that Libre Center.
Order when you're ready.
Sugar a little low, I can tell. Finally, mate. So at the movie theater, and everybody was just pulled out the movies and told to go into the hallway because it's a tornado right now as we talk. The sirens is already, oh yeah, this is bad. Oh wow. Oh yeah, buddy.
Yeah, the power flashing over there where y'all are.
It is flashing.
And it's a tornado outside, man. We always just like in the movies and out of the blue. This is all new to me, like I said, out of the blue. They like everybody need to come out the movie theater immediately. It look like we stuck. This Oklahoma shit is different, boy. the sirens. I don't know if y'all hear the sirens. This is no joke. The sirens is going off. We have a fucking F50 or something like that headed our way right now. I'm about to run right back in. Let me get my ass back inside. People running, leaving this motherfucking theater. Let me get my ass back inside. She said, you tripping. Why would you go out there? That's the manager of the Regal right there. This is the people, the managers. And them sirens is loud. Excuse me, what do it mean when there's two sirens like that?
Oh, it's just the general area.
Oh, so,
Yeah,
okay.
one siren basically just, if you can hear it, it's like prepare, but if you can really hear it in your ears, then it's get under.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. So, right now...
Stay away from the doors?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, I'll stay away. This is no bullshit, no joke, none of that. This shit is very serious. This whole building is moving. We not allowed near the doors. This shit different. What's happening? Made it home safe, y'all. It's super dangerous out there. I advise don't nobody go out there. It's not worth it. But I'm exhausted. About to get my ass some rest. Keep y'all head up. Just stay safe. See, man. To get woke up like this is fucking crazy.
We're gonna have another one that's to my right now.
Fuck.
Guys, this is getting crazy. So McLeod, Dale, right here. You can see our crews are out. We are right on top of the
Oh, shit. Nah, shit like this. iPhone.
with this storm, that couplet that we have highlighted, that is where the tornado is going to be, and that will just move about 2 miles off to the northeast.
You would think this shit is fucking dogs, man.
This had here in the last radar scan, we're keeping our eye open.